In this tutorial, we are going to talk about square and cube numbers and square and cube roots. Let's start with squaring. Say we have a number 3. So squaring simply means that we are going to take this number 3 and multiply it by itself. So it's going to be actually the second power of 3. So 3 squared. So again, squaring basically is the process of multiplying a number by itself. Now, I'm going to come up with a first 10 square numbers. So square number, basically, it's a number that has another number that multiplied by itself gives you back that number. The first square number is 1, since 1 squared equals 1. The second square number is 4, since 4 has this number 2, that 2 squared is 4. The next one is going to be 9, because 3 squared equals 9. 16, 4 squared equals 16. 25, 36, 49, 68, keeps going, 81, and 100. List goes on because there is infinite many square numbers, so keep going. So the list goes on forever. So again, made up by multiplying out a natural number by itself. Now, let's have a look at taking a square root. So basically, we are going to inverse this squaring process. Say we have been given a number 9. So taking a square root means we are going to find a number that multiplied by itself gives you back that original number 9. So this little symbol we are going to use to indicate this taking a square root. So square root of 9 equals 3. And you could always ask yourself, what number should I multiply by itself in order to get back the original number? And since 3 times 3 or 3 squared equals 9, so the square root of 9 equals 3. Similarly, we can talk about cubing. Say we have a number 3. So cubing means we are going to take this number 3 and we are going to multiply it by itself, not twice, but 3 times. 3 times 3 times 3. And we are going to use this power, this index notation, 3 cubed, which is equals 27. So that's cube of 3. Now, similarly, I'm going to come up with a list of first 10 cube numbers. The first one is going to be 1, since 1 cubed is 1. 1 times 1 times 1. The second one is going to be 8, since 8 equals 2 cubed. 2 times 2 times 2. Next one is 27, since 27 has a number 3. And we saw it before, 3 cubed equals 27. Next one, 64, 125, list goes on, keep going, 216, so 125 is 5 cubed, 216 is 6 cubed, 343, the next one, 7 cubed, 512, which is 8 cubed, 729, which is 9 cubed. And the last one in this list is going to be 1000. You see the numbers increases tremendously. So again, you can keep going. There are infinite many cube numbers. It's not all of them. And similarly, we can introduce a taking a cube root operation, the inverse again, the reverse operation of cubing. So basically, they both undo each other. Say we have 27, and cube root basically means we need to find a number that multiplied by itself 3 times gives us this original 27. And since, as mentioned before, 3 cubed equals 27. 3 times 3 times 3. So the cube root of 27 is gonna be just this number 3.